Hi, Yuri. Yeah, it's mine. Hello. Let's get ready because I have to go somewhere. I'm just getting my matcha and then I'm getting ready here. I'm with Maligan. I brought Maligan with me. Maligan, sit down.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you. Mali is with me. So I'm gonna get ready. I'll see her later. Shout. Hi, architect! Wait lang, I have to do my makeup. I'm gonna do my makeup. I haven't done my makeup yet. And then, I'm gonna put on skin tint, my brows, everything. Wala pa akong nagagawa. So this is our bag for today. I'm gonna do a fit check later after ko mag-makeup. And I'm rushing. Dito na ako nag-makeup sa coffee. And listen on your I'm with Maligan. Maligan's across the table. So now let's do our makeup. Kasi late na ako. I'm late. Very late. Nakuha ko pa mag-live. Huwag niyo akong gayahin. Hi, Sky! This is the skin tint that I'm using. It's from BLK. Oh my god. Wait lang. Pag ako na-restrict na naman. So sabi guys, dapat may ka-coffee date ako ngayon eh. Charot lang. Mamaya may mambabash na naman sa akin dyan, ha? Aba, ayos. Hi, Jen. Thank you, guys, for the gift. Alam nyo, kung ano yung pinapangkape ko ngayon, galing sa mga gift nyo. Oh, thank you. Kaya ano mo? Bakit na naman ako restricted? Bawal ba ipakita yung push? Whatever. Hindi ko alam guys. Bawal ata ipakita yung drinks or something. But like restricted ako. Restricted, yeah. Hindi pa ako kumakain today. Tom na. Pero at least hindi ako bloated. Pampalubag loob. Gusto ko gawin yung makeup ko dati. Like, tinatry ko ang alalahanan kung paano yung makeup routine ko dati. Guys, anong makeup yung gusto nyo na i-recreate ko? Hala, restricted talaga ako.